Hello dear students. So today I am going to discuss the next topic, that is efficiency of a transformer. So the efficiency can be defined as it is the ratio of output power to input power. Okay, the efficiency is equal to output power by input power, or also you can define output power divided by input power can be written as output power plus losses. Okay, input power is equal to what? Output plus losses. So you can write the efficiency as output by input or output by output plus losses. But in transformer we have some losses that we have discussed in the previous lecture, that is iron losses and copper losses. Mainly we can define as iron losses as Pi, copper losses as PCU. So now we will write the equation of efficiency of a transformer. As you all know that the iron losses are denoted as Pi and the copper losses are denoted as PCU. This is full load. FL means full load. The total full load losses is equal to the sum of losses Pi plus PCU, iron losses plus copper losses. So now it is very important that the full load efficiency at any power factor without actually loading the transformer is equal to the efficiency at full load is equal to full load volt ampere into power factor divided by full load volt ampere into power factor plus losses Pi plus PCU. So the percentage of efficiency at full load condition is given by VA cos pi. Simply the same equation can be written as, so full load means here it is written full load. So simply I will take VA, power factor means cos pi, VA cos pi divided by VA cos pi plus Pi iron losses plus PCU copper losses into 100 because it is percentage. So this equation can be related with the definition output power divided by output power plus losses Pi plus PCU. In percentage multiply 100. So this equation you can use to calculate the efficiency of a transformer at full load condition. Full load means the load on the secondary side is 100%. So that we can call as a full load. So now if the load is other than full load condition, example if the load is 70%, 80% or 50%, 25%, whatever it is, less than 100, 0 to 100, in that case how to calculate the efficiency? So other than full load conditions we will take it as a fractional load. So do not confuse, this is a full load and this is a fractional load. Fraction means it is other than 100%. So the formula to calculate the fractional load is, let us take the fractional load as N, which is equal to actual load by full load. The formula is actual load by full load. Example, if it is 50% load you are applying, so 50 means this is actually you are applying 50. Full load means always 100. Remember, full load means always 100. So you will get 0.5. Okay, so that is N is equal to 0.5. So the formula for calculating the other than full load condition as fractional load condition is equal to, just to multiply N. Okay, the same equation is here. So N means it's a fractional load condition. N means the fractional load. The formula for N is actual load by full load. So N into VA cos pi, same is only VA cos pi, here N into VA cos pi divided by VA cos pi, N into VA cos pi plus, so Pi plus PCU, N square PCU. Dear students, it is very important that Pi, already we know that iron losses are also called as constant losses. It is not dependent on the current, means it is not dependent on the load on the secondary side. Whatever the load it is, 100% load or 50% load, the Pi is constant. That's why N we are not multiplying to the Pi. So the fraction load is not considering here. It is no effect on the iron losses. It is constant. So that's why we are not taking N to the multiplying N to the Pi. But PCU is multiplied by N square because the copper loss means it is the I square into R losses. So that's why we need to multiply the N square into PCU. Okay. To understand the formula so far we have discussed, so I will take a simple example that 100 kVA transformer has iron losses 500 watts and copper losses 750 watts. Calculate full load efficiency of a transformer at 0.8 power factor, half load efficiency of a transformer at 0.9 power factor, and 25% of full load efficiency of a transformer at 0.85 power factor. So let us take very simple. So given data is that kVA rating of the transformer is given, that is 100 kVA. The iron losses are given, that I will take as a PI, that is 500 watts, and the copper losses I will take it as a PCU, that is given 750 watts. So calculate the full load efficiency. As I said earlier, full load means you can use the relation that percentage of efficiency, always you can take percentage. So percentage of efficiency at full load condition is equal to, the formula is VA cos pi divided by VA cos pi plus PI plus PCU into 100, because we have taken in percentage. So in this case the formula is only VA, means volt ampere, but the given data is 100 kVA. So in the formula only we have VA, so that we need to substitute 100k here. Okay, so it is very important. So 100 into 10 to the power 3, because in the formula it is only VA, so but it is 100 kVA, so 100 into 10 to the power 3, 10 to the 3 means k, into cos pi, the power factor is given 0.8 for this calculation, so 0.8 I will take. So divided by VA cos pi, same as that of the numerator, so 100 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.8 plus PI is given 500 watts plus PCV is given 750 watts into 100. So the answer you will get, so the answer is 98.46% efficiency at full load condition. Similarly, second bit is calculate the efficiency at half load. So remember students, at half load means it is not the full load condition, so in this case you have to take as a other than full load, whatever the load will be given in the question, that you can take as a fractional load, that is N. The formula for N is actual load by full load. Actual load means what? It is a half load. Okay, you can take half, you can take as 1/2, or you can take it as a 0.5 or 50, whatever. 1/2 divided by full means it is always 1. So what you will get? 1/2 only, or 0.5 simply. Or you can take actual load is 50, full load is always 100, so again you will get 0.5. Like that you can take. So N means it is the actual load is half, means 50, full means always 1 or always 100, so you will get 0.5, 0. Same, this is OR. Okay, so N is 0.5. Then I will substitute in the formula, the percentage of efficiency at half load condition is equal to NVA cos pi plus, NVA cos pi divided by NVA cos pi plus PI plus N square, PCU is the formula, into 100 I will take in percentage. N means in this case half load 0.5 N. VA means same, remaining all subs are same, only VA cos pi means same data, 100 into 10 to the power 3 into power factor. Remember students, it is also very important, efficiency at half load 0.9 power factor. Power factor is given different for each case, so that's why make sure that you are taking the power factor same as that of the question given. So 0.5 into 10 to the power 100 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.9, it is the same NVA cos pi plus PI is 500 watts, so plus N square means 0.5 square into PCU means 750, so multiply 100 in percentage. So you will get the answer, percentage of efficiency at half load condition is equal to, so simplify this numerator will get 45,000, and this is also 45,000 plus 500 plus this, you will get 687.5. So divide, you will get the 98.49%, that is efficiency at half load condition. And the final bit is third bit, 25% of full load. So 25% means the given case is 25%, means actual load you have to use 25%, 25 divided by full load is 100, so 0.25. N is the 0.25. Same, all data you can substitute same, except n is 0.5 here n is equal to 0.25, that's it. So percentage of efficiency at 25% load, you will get n into VA. So I written the formula again. N in this case 25% load, that's why 0.25 into VA means 100 into 10 to the power 3. Power factor is 0.85 because 25% load, 0.85 power factor is given in the question. That's why you should take 0.85 only, divided by n into VA cos pi plus PI 500 plus n square means 0.25 whole square into PCU means 750 into 100. So you'll get the answer is, so simplify, you'll get percentage efficiency at 25% load 97.49%. So dear students, I hope you understand the how to calculate the efficiency of a transformer with different power factor. Okay, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the regular updates. Thank you.